One and only super duper star and my friend Bobby Deol as Tez Tarrar, Ajay Talwar. These साल से Bob, first of all, thank you for being here and waiting. I know how busy you are, and all of you actually, Gautami, thank you for waiting. 30 साल से जैसे मैंने बताया हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. हम इतने फॉर्मल हैं नहीं, बट मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि हमारे देखते देखते हमारे अपने बच्चे हो जाएंगे और कभी हम अपने बच्चों के साथ काम कर रहे होंगे. But I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. I genuinely want to thank you with all my love and informality, and thank you for the fact that you made this show happen with my son Aryan, and you brought so much warmth, so much love, so much gravitas, and so much dignity for the show. So thank you so much, Bobby, for being part of the Baddies of Bollywood.
Hey Shahrukh, this is also, today is the 20th of August. It's a special day for me also because जैसे शाहरुख कह रहा था, हमारे बच्चे हैं, इसी इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहते हैं, अब आर्यन आ रहा है और this day becomes so special for that because I can feel what's going through you in your heart at this moment. I'm feeling it too because I've seen Aryan when he was younger. Then I met him when he became older one day, and the kind of person he was when I met him, the way we spoke, shared a few things here and there, but I just felt there's something magical about him, as if he was ready to conquer the world, and today's the day, here, lads of Bollywood. And I still remember I got a phone call from Red Chillies and they said, Aryan's doing this show, would you like to come and meet? I said I would do it, I don't need to hear it. But Aryan said he wanted to narrate it to me, and I went there, I sat for 7 hours, heard the whole script, but more than the script, I was just looking at Aryan and the conviction he was narrating to me. It was just like, I was just so happy because हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे में वो टैलेंट हो, हम वो कर पाएं, और it's such a fear we live with, because हम लोग एक अपनी कहानी है हमारी, हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचे हैं. लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि I'm just so lucky to be a part of the show. It is one of the best shows, not because it's my show, Aryan's show, Shahrukh's show, but I've seen it, and it could have been this, it's just massive. Every actor in the show has performed so well. They're all good actors, but it's the director who handles and gets the best out of them. It's not easy.